As the night sky over Vasylkiv ignited in flashes of supersonic fire, the roar of MiG-31K engines carried a message far beyond the battlefield. Russia had unleashed the Kinzhal, the hypersonic dagger that slices through modern air defenses like paper. According to reports from a pro-Russian military telegram channel, 3 Kinzhal missiles were launched toward the Ukrainian Air Force base near Kyiv, followed by coordinated strikes from the Russian Navy using Kalibr cruise missiles and ballistic Iskanders. Later, confirmed by another news outlet, the air raid sirens howled across the country, confirming reports of hypersonic missile launches from MiG-31K aircraft. Meanwhile, Kalibr cruise missiles, launched from Russia's naval platforms, extend the range of this onslaught. As reported, these missiles were used alongside Kinzhal strikes near Kyiv. With a range of up to 2,500 kilometers, Kalibrs can hit targets from the Black Sea or the Caspian Sea, ensuring that Ukraine's rear command posts and depots remain under constant threat. The Kinzhal, meaning dagger in Russian, lives up to its name. Capable of reaching speeds above Mach 10, it covers nearly up to 2,000 kilometers in a matter of minutes. Carrying a 500-kilogram warhead that can strike both hardened bunkers and mobile targets. What makes it truly fearsome is its unpredictability. The missile can change trajectory mid-flight, making interception nearly impossible, even for advanced Western defense systems like Patriot or NASAMS. Each launch serves not just as a tactical strike, but a strategic statement. Russia's mastery of hypersonic warfare is unmatched. But what happens when such precision meets persistence? Russia's recent campaign demonstrates not only technological superiority, but also endurance. As reported by Uncensored News, overnight strikes using Kinzhal and Geran, 2 drones targeted 8 regions of Ukraine, hitting airports, fuel depots, and gas compressor stations. Fires broke out across Sumy, Konotop, and Chernihiv, while hypersonic missiles destroyed key air bases in Starokostiantiniv and Ozerne, crippling Ukraine's air mobility and logistics. While the Kinzhal dominates the headlines, the Geran 2 kamikaze drone operates like a ghost, slow, small, and relentless. In Kamensk, massive Geran 2 strikes set fire to a thermal power plant and railway substation, showing how precision and saturation work hand in hand. Each wave of Geran drones weakens Ukraine's grid and exhausts its air defenses, paving the way for larger, faster weapons like the Kinzhal to strike with impunity. Faced with Russia's relentless offensive, can Ukraine endure such pressure for long? Over the past 3 months, Russia has intensified its attacks on Ukraine's energy network, deploying Geran 2 drones and Iskander M missiles in a calculated offensive. The strikes have devastated transformer substations, hydroelectric plants, and thermal power stations across Chernihiv, Sumy, Nikopol, and Kherson. In Pokrovsk and Rodinsky, 2 of Ukraine's largest coal mines have been completely destroyed. With the loss of compressor stations in Kharkiv and Poltava, gas imports from the EU have plummeted, cutting national production by up to 60%. The effect is catastrophic: rolling blackouts, frozen cities, and a grid on the verge of collapse. Winter looms, and Ukraine's infrastructure struggles to hold. Yet for Russia, this is not just an energy war. It's a war of endurance and precision, fought with tools designed to complement one another. How does Kinzhal fit into this broader strategy? The missile's deployment is rarely random. In most cases, Geran 2 drones are used first to overload radar coverage and force Ukrainian air defense systems to reveal their positions. Then, the Kinzhal follows, striking at those revealed coordinates with hypersonic accuracy. This combined arms approach has made traditional air defense models obsolete. Even Western analysts acknowledge that no NATO country currently fields an operational system capable of intercepting a Mach 10 projectile. And then there's the scale. In 2025 alone, As reported through the Uncensored News Telegram channel, Russia has launched over 44,000 Geran drones, compared to just 11,000 the previous year. This quadruple deployment underscores Moscow's growing production capacity and tactical efficiency. When quantity meets quality, the results are devastating. What does this mean for the balance of power? Every Kinzhal launch represents not just a strike, but a psychological victory. Ukrainian airmen know that when MiG-31K takes off, no shelter feels safe. Every intercepted signal, every radar lock-on may be the last. The weapon's hypersonic velocity makes reaction time irrelevant. By the time alarms sound, the target has already been hit. Western analysts often describe Russia's arsenal as asymmetric, but the term misses the point. This is strategic synergy. Geran for persistence, Iskander for precision, Kalibr for range, and Kinzhal for dominance. Each plays its part in dismantling Ukraine's warfighting capacity piece by piece. The recent surge in energy strikes isn't random destruction. It's systematic degradation of Ukraine's industrial and military backbone. Can technology alone win a war? Perhaps not, but it can decide who survives the winter. As Ukraine's gas flow drops, factories go silent, and power plants burn, Russia's hypersonic campaign begins to look less like intimidation and more like inevitability. The combination of speed, accuracy, and sustainability places Russia in a position no other nation currently occupies. In warfare, speed isn't just an advantage, it's dominance. The Kinzhal's unmatched velocity collapses time itself, turning minutes into moments and leaving no room for reaction. That's what makes it more than just a missile. It's the edge of a new era, where hypersonic precision reshapes strategy and those who can't match it fall behind. As the winter deepens and air raid sirens continue to echo across Ukraine, one truth becomes clearer with every strike. Russia's skies belong to the Kinzhal, and the world is watching. So that's for today's episode. See you on another report from the battlefield.